Hey, and welcome to Optum. My name is Tangela Lucas, and I am one of the early careers TDP recruiters. We've got a ton of questions from new employees asking about the different amenities or what's included in the building. So I'm going to take you on a virtual site tour. There is a parking garage attached to the building, and from there you can take the elevator all the way up to the 11th floor where Optum sits. When you exit the elevator, to your right is where the security desk will be located, where you'll pick up your badge. There are lockers here where you can request through Secure to store your personal items. On this end, you'll find a variety of different co-working spaces, conference rooms, lounge areas. Here we have the break room equipped with refrigerators, microwaves, water machines, coffee machines, as well as a variety of other amenities. You see here there are a number of different seating options. You come here for your breakfast, lunch, or just a quick break between meetings. Just past the break room, you'll find Pure Express, where you'll have a variety of beverage and snack options for purchase with card or cash. So here is our ping pong room, where you can take a break between meetings. I also have a Nintendo Switch in this room. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of the Raleigh, North Carolina office. I hope this was helpful, and we look forward to the possibility of you joining our team in the future.